This is Roosevelt with Auto Network. I'm here at the Chicago Auto Show. This is the Concept and Technology Garage. I'm going to give you a quick walkthrough, 360 video, little to no narration.
See, I wonder if it's moving its into the show, right?
Yeah. You know, you can take it over there.
Yeah.
The bottom bins are heated, cooled,
Thank you.
or storage.
Okay.
First aid kit, there's also just given the other things.
This is a 360 video, so you can swipe left, right, up, down, take a look around.
Something that doesn't exist. And this is the very production level. Yeah, it's cool. It's got a lot of power. It has a V8 growl. Can you start it? I don't know.
People you see here are invited journalists taking a look at the concept car and new technology. A lot of the EVs, new EVs will be here. And a lot of the new technology will be here. As far as what you hear in the background, that's the Hellcat EV. I just wanted to give you a quick look. It's just like being there at the Concept and Technology Garage, Chicago Auto Show, Roosevelt with Auto Network. And as always, please buckle up. Don't drink and drive, buckle up. Don't text and drive, buckle up. Don't stream and drive. That's what Frank says. See you next time.